Physics Time welcomes you to practice quiz for Think 2025, the Indian Navy quiz. In this video, we focus on the theme, Mahasagar, ancient and medieval Indian ports, a glimpse into India's maritime legacy. Are you ready?
Name the major Harappan trade hub situated on the banks of Shediko River. Options are A. Sutkagandor, B. Sotkako, C. Balakot, D. Aladino. Answer is option B. Sotkako. Sutkagandor is the westernmost known site of the Indus Valley civilization, located in Balochistan, Pakistan. It is believed to have been an important trading post and a port for maritime trade with other ancient civilizations. The site features a citadel and lower town, highlighting its strategic significance within the vast Harappan network. Sotkako, also known as Soktako, is an archaeological site of the Indus Valley civilization. It is located on the Makran coast near Pasni in the Balochistan province of Pakistan. Along with Sutkagandor, it is considered a Harappan port town that facilitated maritime trade with civilizations in the Persian Gulf and Mesopotamia. Balakot is a coastal archaeological site of the Indus Valley civilization in Balochistan, Pakistan. It served as a specialized center for the production of shell objects, such as bangles and inlays, for trade. Excavations at the site, led by George F. Dales in the 1970s, have provided important insights into the Harappan maritime economy and craft specialization. Aladino is a small, unfortified settlement of the Indus Valley civilization located east of Karachi, Pakistan. It is considered a port city and is associated with textile manufacturing and trade. Excavations at the site have unearthed a large number of artifacts, including copper objects, seals, and ornaments of gold and silver. Now, moving on to next question, which was an ancient South Indian seaport, harbour town mentioned in the Greco-Roman writings and located north of Port Muiri. Options are A. Tindis, Tondi, B. Kannur, C. Shellur, D. Tamralipti. Answer is option A. Tindis, Tondi. Tindis, Tamil, Tondi, was an ancient South Indian seaport, harbour town mentioned in the Greco-Roman writings. It was located north of Port Muiri, by around 500 stadia, in the country of the Chera rulers. No archaeological evidence has been found for Tindis. Kannur is an ancient port on the west coast, located on the Kudur River, important for Sangam-era trade. Shellur was a significant port of the Pandya kingdom in ancient Tamilakam, located on the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu. Mentioned in Sangam literature, it was a thriving center for trade, particularly renowned for its pearl fisheries. The port played a key role in the maritime economy of the Pandyas, facilitating extensive trade networks. Tamralipti was a major port city of ancient Bengal, located in present-day Tamluk in West Bengal. It served as a critical hub for maritime trade with Southeast Asia, Sri Lanka, and even the Roman Empire. The port was also a significant center for Buddhism, with Chinese pilgrims like F. Hien and Hian Sang leaving accounts of its bustling activities and monasteries. Dash is a Greco-Roman periplus written in Koine Greek that describes navigation and trading opportunities from Roman Egyptian ports like Bernice Troglodytica along the coast of the Red Sea and others along the Horn of Africa, the Persian Gulf, Arabian Sea and the Indian Ocean, including the modern-day Sindh region of Pakistan and southwestern regions of India. Answer is, Periplus of the Erythraean Sea. The Periplus of the Erythraean Sea is an ancient Greco-Roman text from the 1st century CE. It serves as a navigational guide detailing trade routes and ports along the Red Sea, Arabian Sea, and Indian coast. The anonymous author, likely a merchant, provides valuable first-hand information on the extensive Indo-Roman trade and the monsoon winds. This document is a key historical source for understanding ancient maritime commerce and geography. Dash Port is famous for being the landing site of the Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama in 1498, an event that marked the opening of a new sea route between Europe and India and ushered in the European colonial era. Answer is, Calicut Port. Some facts about the ancient Calicut Port. City of Spices, Calicut earned the nickname City of Spices due to its role as a major trading point for eastern spices like black pepper, cardamom, and ginger. Trade with Arabs and Chinese. Before the arrival of the Europeans, the port had a long-standing and prosperous trade relationship with Arab and Chinese merchants. They were attracted by the city's abundance of spices, timber, and other goods. Ruled by the Zamorans. The city was the capital of a powerful kingdom ruled by the Zamorans, Samutares, who controlled the port and played a key role in its commercial activities. The Zamorans welcomed foreign merchants and ensured the port's security and prosperity. Bharuch, known anciently as Barigeza or Brigukacha, was a prominent ancient port in Gujarat, located on the Godavari River. Is the statement true or false? Answer is false. Answer is Narmada River. Bharuch, known anciently as Barigeza or Bharigukacha, was a prominent ancient port in Gujarat, located on the Narmada River, that connected the Indian subcontinent with the Roman Empire and other parts of the world. This cosmopolitan city served as a crucial trading hub for goods like spices, cotton, and precious stones, with a history of shipbuilding and commercial activity dating back to the days of the pharaohs. Its strategic importance is described in ancient texts like the Periplus of the Erythraean Sea.
Great job. Please subscribe to our channel, Physics Time. Soon we will be uploading another set of practice quiz. Thanks for watching. Best of luck for your adventure.